Hey lighting fanatics, welcome back to the Rapid Start 12 channel, and today I'm going to show you this vintage GE 100 watt yellow incandescent PAR38 bulb. I got this very beautiful bulb from the Restore in Crystal River, Florida a couple weekends ago. So, we'll start by taking a look at the packaging for this bulb, which is really cool. So on the top here, it says GE Floodlight 100 watt yellow weatherproof. And my favorite part, which is this very nice depiction of the bulb right on the top. Moving our way to the front, it's the same thing as the top. However, we do have some price tags here which help us date this bulb. Looks like it was originally at True Value for $7.99 in October 1982, and then it went on sale in November of that year for $4.88. And then I'm assuming somebody picked it up because it was on sale and then just never used it, and it sat in their closet for years and years, and then they finally donated it to the Restore just a couple weeks ago. The side here is the same thing, and so is this side. However, the back has something different for once. For any season or any reason, use GE weatherproof flood or spotlights. Very nice. I'll let you read that if you would like to. General Electric, made in the USA. Very cool. Moving the top flap reveals the locking flap feature, which is very nice. And then here we have some more information if you'd like to read that. And here's the bulb. It is yellow, obviously. That's what it said on the package. Ooh, there it is. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at that shine of the reflective coating there. That's too cool. And of course it's all yellow on the top. And we have a very nice GE logo in the center there. GE always did that on these bulbs. We have an etch here on the side. I'll go ahead and show that. GE 100 watt 120 volt flood USA. And I'm assuming 32 is some kind of date code. There's also all kinds of like stripes and dots and all that kind of stuff all around it. So if anybody knows how to decode that, feel free to let us know in the comments when this bulb was made. Well, we already kind of know that because of the price tags, but it'd be cool to know exactly when it was made. And then down here we have our base, which is brass. Very nice. I think this is a pretty standard base that a lot of manufacturers used. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's the case. Well, anyway, I just realized I forgot to grab my socket, so let me go do that real quick. Man, never prepared for anything around here. Anyway, I've got the socket ready to go now, so we'll go ahead and screw this bulb in. Kind of difficult to screw in these big heavy flood bulbs, but anyway, there it is installed in the socket. I also have the dimmer today because this bulb is dimmable, being incandescent. All incandescent bulbs are dimmable. But anyway, now I'll go ahead and turn off the lights and I'll be right back. Alright, the lights have been turned off and it's time to turn on this bulb. So we'll do just that in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, look at that. Look at that color. How beautiful is that? See, there you can see it shining down this way. We'll actually go ahead and move the camera up here, which is going to be a challenge. Because, yeah, the tripod's going down. I lost a piece for it that keeps part of it that adjusts in place. So now that part is kind of broken. So it wants to go down when you adjust it, because of course now there's nothing holding it in place. Anyway, now you can see the kind of beam pattern that this bulb has. There's like a hot spot in the middle there, which is kind of orange in color. And then there's some light coming off of that, which is more yellow. Looks very orange on camera. It's not nearly this orange in person. But I'll give you one last look at what the bulb looks like there. It's pretty bright. And CRI is a lot more than I'd expect from a colored bulb, but I suppose it is incandescent. It's not like LED or anything crazy like that. But anyway, we'll go ahead and dim this bulb now. We'll start by dimming it down all the way. And now it gets a more orangey color. Again, looks very orange on camera compared to what it looks like in person. Looks like a high pressure sodium bulb on camera. Does not look like that in person. And the actual light coming off of it is very orange. It's just a hot spot now. It is a very deep orange color. It's kind of cool though. Looks kind of cool. So we'll go ahead and bring it up to 50% now. It's about 50%. There's what it looks like. Now it's got a more yellow color in person. And still very much an orange hot spot, but not as deep of an orange color as it was before. And we start to get some light off the side as well. And finally, we'll bring it back up to full brightness. And there it is again. So, very nice. That hot spot color difference is really weird. I wonder if there's like a thicker amount of coating in the middle there. Who knows, but anyway, still a very cool bulb with an awesome color to it. So we'll go ahead and move the camera back down here. That works surprisingly smoothly. And we'll turn this bulb off in 3, 2, 1. Very nice fade out on this bulb. I'll be right back after I turn the lights back on. Alright, the lights have been turned back on. And I'm going to unscrew this carefully because it's very hot, and me being unprepared as always, no paper towel. I did not think this one through. Alright, there it is. And we'll go ahead and put that off to the side. Actually, I'll give you one last look over it real quick. There it is, there's the top, the side, the etch, very warm, and the base. There we go. And we'll put the packaging back in here as well. Close it up. And there you have it. The vintage GE yellow PAR38 100 watt incandescent bulb. Very beautiful, cool piece. Well, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And see you in the next one.